May entrata update and IG story ni JBN. Ang sabi sa caption, number 1 rules pag rest day ang pagja-jogging. Ayun pa nga, nakasabay pa nga si Maymay sa pagja-jogging. And enjoy. Ay, malayo yung tinakbo nila. Ay, lumayo na si Maymay. After nila mag-jogging, syempre, food is life. Ang sarap ng kakain ni Maymay. Sarap ng food, Ito ay IG story ni Maymay. Binati niya ng happy birthday ang kanyang coach Jade. Siya yung nagbo-voice lesson kay Maymay. Sabi niya, happy birthday Miss Jade. I pray that He continues to guide your steps, strengthen your heart, and fill your days with peace, purpose, and overflowing joy. May God reveal to you po what love truly means, kasi you deserve it talaga. Mahal kita, Miss Jade. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlogs. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.